Hello friends, welcome back to TypeScript tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about the literal types in TypeScript. Okay, so what is basically literal types? So we'll discuss and we'll discuss with the string, we'll discuss with the number, and finally with the Boolean type of data, and we'll discuss with the functions type of data. Okay. So we'll discuss with three things. What is literal types, right? So what is literal type? Actually, when we use TypeScript, we just using the type restrictions, okay? And if you want to restrict the variable type, means uh, if you want to specify the what will be the value for particular variable, then we can use the literal types. Like literal types allow you to specify an exact value of a variable can have. Okay, so let's take a simple example. Suppose let's say um, let status. Okay, so status can have suppose active, sorry, not equal, it will be the colon. Status can have active, then we can write here inactive, or we can write here some more like disable. Okay, so here we are declaring a variable like status, and it can be the active, inactive, or disable. These three options can have. Okay, now we just specifying, let's write here status equal to active. So its problem, I cannot redeclare block scoped variable status. Okay, no problem. Actually, this is the reserved word. Okay, so here write product status. Okay, and now we are assigning the product status equal to the active. Okay, so we can assign the product status as active, but suppose if I want to write some things new, means product status, and here write shipped, so that will actually not accept it, because here I declare the literal types of these things for this string. So only active or inactive or disabled, these three options can be available, can be acceptable for this product status. That's the reason it's actually showing the error. So what is the error? The type shift is not assignable to type active, inactive, or disable. Okay, so we cannot assign the variable, so we can restrict what will be the value, not only the variable type. We can restrict what will be the exact value of that variable. So if you allow these things, no problem, it will accept. Otherwise it will not accept. Okay, so you can understand how the string lateral types is working. Similarly, if you want to check with the number literal types, simply write here type, and here you write class. Okay, or not this keyword again. So write here some number type, suppose roll. Okay, so only the top 5 roll number is acceptable for some exam. Okay, so here we just defining the roll number can have between 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so except this roll number, we cannot accept these things. Okay, so here I declare the type, that is the role. You can write here in caps also. So we just declare the type as a role, and this will be the between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's declare a variable. Suppose let role, and here I just going to assign this role type here. And now if I want to assign some value to the role, suppose role equal to 4, it's absolutely right, no problem, it's acceptable. If I write role equal to 2, it also acceptable. But if you write a roll equal to 6, it's not acceptable because the same problem, the type 6 is not assignable to the type roll. Okay, so in this way we can use the number return types. And again, another things, suppose I just going to declare the boolean type, suppose type toggle. Okay, and here I just defining as a true. Now I just going to write let is on. Okay, suppose switch is on, and here I just using this toggle type, and now I just going to assign a variable is on equal to false. This is actually not acceptable. Cannot find name is on. Did you mean is one? Is one. Okay, sorry, is on. Okay, so here write false. So it's actually not acceptable because the type false is not assignable to type true. So simply let's change true, then it's acceptable. Okay, so you can understand how in the toggle we can work. Let's do some advanced things. Suppose I just going to use the literal types with the functions. So here you can use the literal types in a functions parameter to limit the variable arguments. So let's understand this concept. Suppose let's declare functions, and here I just going to write move. Okay, and here I just going to declare this will be the direction, direction, and here I defining what will be the directions, maybe left or maybe right or maybe up or maybe down. So within these four things we can accept the directions. Okay, now here if I just consoling console.log, and here I just going to use direction is, and just use template editor concept. Okay, just print the directions and just call the functions. So simply write let's call the functions move up. So we just passing the up. So it's acceptable. So refresh this. So direction is up. Now write down. Sorry, down it's acceptable. Now if I just going to write east west directions, it's not actually acceptable because we define the what will be the accepted value in the direction sections. Okay, okay, so hope you can understand very simple things and interesting things. And here we can use these type of things for validation purpose also. Okay, so hope you can understand these things, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment sections. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good